Major milestone. Hi, I am Debbie. Beenie Man celebrates his 50th birthday along with the release of his 17th studio album, Simmer, a reference to one of the dancehall king's biggest hits in a career spanning more than 30 years. Moses Davis not resting on his laurels just yet. The new music taking him beyond his dancehall comfort zone, but also pairing him with some familiar faces.
Keep up the hand. You get my pops? When then?
Oh, nah, nah.
Beenie, congrats.
If you take music from Beenie, might as well you just kill him.
Because the man love music
Anyway.
and man like this age.
Been a lucky city, been a lucky town.
Beenie Man making the rounds at Delot. His 50th birthday party paired with a new album, Patrick Roberts and Chris Tufton, a political balancing act. Anything for the king, ask a former adversary. As DJs go, he's no ordinary Joe. This Joe's predecessors crowning him king of the dancehall at Reggae Sumfest in 2009. Recognition for a career spanning 3 decades. From early local hits like Matey to Who Am I, which broke him in the US market.
Who got the keys to my bimmer?
Many more to follow, including collabs with Maya and Janet Jackson. The Grammy winner feuding famously with Bounty Killer and Yellowman along the way. But the dancehall dude's prowess as a performer and the unshakable devotion of his female fan base, along with the later chart toppers like Rum and Red Bull, meant that Beenie Man was always in the game and always on the move, even when he lost his visa. In Beanie's world, the fans come first, no matter if they and he are on a Virgin flight back from the UK.
I'm going to check the bandman them now. So when I forward up, the people them I say, you can't give me something. So I say, what? You say sing 2 songs, man. Call the old man, I say, a long time anyway, I never see it yet. So them fans say you cannot let down Anton.
Simmer.
You still have to keep your fans happy.
Remember, I tell you this already, you know. Without you, Jamaica wouldn't know me look like, you know. Them there for watch video.
And for you, it's a 24-hour job. You can be on a plane coming back to Jamaica,
Yeah.
and somebody wants to engage with
This
you.
is music.
You're not going to turn up your nose.
No, never do that. You cannot be better than people. You never be better than your fans. Because without your fans, you're nothing. Them put you here. They make you who you are. You know? Them love your music, them dance to your music, them pay them money come here stage show. Them work hard and make certain say them dead when you're dead. So it's for you to be there for them. So whether it's a stage show, or it's in a studio, or what. Anthony, enough time I do stage show without money, you know. As long as the band get paid, me all right.
You're 50, and that's great that you're here at 50,
Bless
and
you.
somewhat unchanged. It's still the Beenie Man
Still
most
me,
people
yeah.
would kind of know.
Always.
But you had health issues.
True.
So you've been lucky, or you've taken care of yourself.
I take care of myself. And then me have people who take care of me. When you live with people who love you, then you've been loved. You have your family, you have your kids them, you have your woman. My mother gone, so she not there no more. But you have to just live with the people them around you and just appreciate everything that they gave to you and done for you.
And you have blue, so nobody messes with you.
You see what I say now? All right. You see you.
She was there when daddy weren't there. Because of my mother, I never know.
His mom's death hit him hard. The new album, his 17th studio offering, started as a coping effort.
At that point, just remind yourself that you're an artist. And then the only way to take out all depression or anything is in the studio. So me just go into the studio and thump up some rhythm.
The project soon growing in scale and ambition, with features from big names, but not limited to dancehall.
The album was a full dancehall album. Till we reach England, me decide say, we have to go make some new songs. My eyes on the album. So you get a Champa, you get a Shaggy, then you get a Sensia, and you get some different music, and then you get some English artists like Gigs, them and them artists, and put them together upon one album. local and international producers. Album part.
Jeremy Harding working again with Beenie Man. Simmer also roping in Walsh Fire and Sean Izzle, among other producers.
What struck me about the UK is the love that the people them still have for dancehall music. The most commercial company TV is reggae or dancehall. And then when you do a show out there, everybody turn out to see dancehall music. We do some show in the UK where enough Jamaican are depend. Me actually depend a show where me are the youngest artist depend it. Trust me. And then the people them wait for me. Cause when you depend a show, it's Steel Pulse. You depend a show, it's Burning Spear. Them man that was before you, so you have to show them the respect what them deserve. But are you the headliner? Are you close that show? And that is where your respect turn up.
Is there still an issue with respect in Jamaica?
There's always an issue with respect in Jamaica. Nobody respect nobody.
But it's not hugely important for you anymore to be the man people are talking about. That's not your concern
Well,
anymore.
I cannot think about man of the moment anymore. I'm the king. So right now, my thing is to continue with the music and make people know that the music will be always here. So regardless of what you think of that, man, just remember that I am here.
In other words, you're more focused on legacy?
Blessings. Now at 50, where you gonna focus on? Getting famous? Me can't get famous no more. Me done name Beenie Man already. I'm done an international superstar. All me can do is do it again.
Shell the bar already, now we go and do it again. Who say do it again, do it again.
For dancehall to remain essentially a Jamaican form, what has to happen to keep its Jamaicanness? Because it seems to be moving in directions which are more outward looking.
The youth them need to keep it Jamaican. The youth them not keep it Jamaican. Every man want go say, remember we bust from Jamaica and then becomes international artist. The man don't want that no more. The man just want bust international one time. So anything we are going on foreign that them are use. So if them have to chop a beat or that around a foreign, that we are go on. It work for them, but it will work for me because I've been here before that. So if me jump on that now, me that look like a bandwagon.
Is that talent that DJs once had to come up with a line just out of the blue immediately, is that a dying talent?
You have a few artists out there, just a few. Otherwise, some sizzler and I don't know about the next DJ that can just freestyle like that. But you have a few artists, you know? It makes sense to call the name, because the man I say, well, not call my name, man. It's not every artist I watch. Is it?
And everybody has a thin skin these days.
There you go.
Give me a freestyle now.
You want me to give a freestyle right now?
Yeah.
All right. Kingstonish are the t-shirt you have on. Anywhere we go, people jump and rock on. Music I play Beenie Man there. Turn on, yeah. Entertainment reporter with their hand. When I sit down on the seat like a long bad man there, you don't know we now come on, hand on, everybody put on hand on, up in the ear, make me hear, say, go on. Zaga, I'm gone.
So break that down. Where does it come from?
Yeah, you just ask me.
Beenie Man heading this week to a festival in Belgium. He can't wait.
Them sing every word. Then you go to some place where some people that speak English, but them know every song where you sing. So you come off a stage and talk, you're like, gulu gulu gele gele. Oh, the one thing you know them says, Beenie Man. That's it.
As a winner, as a king in the world, we live in a. Just a sinner, just a sinner. As a winner, as a king in the world, we live in